Hi, Jessica. Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my Facebook post the other day. And I wanted to be able to just send you over this quick educational video to be able to go over some things to help you boost your online presence and your business. Now, at the end of this video, if you could give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'll just go ahead and get into this. Now, the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything that you see on your front page here. Any wording, any photos, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. And within that content, you want to add the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a big help. Now, I did put your information into a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I'm able to see the analytics on your website. And I don't know if it's maybe because you have like a newer website or what's going on, but on here I'm able to tell what your strength and trust is with Google, the backlinks you have with the website, and then how many keywords. So we have nothing going on here yet. So that's something we want to be able to work on, are these things here. So the backlinks is another thing I want to go over today, which is the website linking to another website. Now, these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others that are vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. You definitely want to go after the links that are more authoritative. Now, I'll be able to show you some of the competition in the area and see what they got going on with their website as well here in just a moment. Now, let's take a look over here at Google. When we type in doula services in Boston, normally at the top there's supposed to be ads. I don't know if anybody's just not running any ads at the moment. But the other thing that we have here is what we call the map pack. So this is super imperative to come up, and what it's going to do is going to give you more traffic. Now, 30 to 40% of traffic here goes right to your website, or they give you a call from the map pack. And there's ways to go about increasing your rankings to make sure you have you want to make sure you have a ton of reviews. You want to make sure that everything is filled out on your Google business profile, that all 750 words in your About Us section is filled out, and then also implementing keywords into that About Us section. And you want to be responsive to your reviews and your messages. So also make sure to keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos. That's all going to help with your relevance. Now, another important thing is going to be citations. That is when your business name, address, and phone number is in things like the Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp. And by going out there and giving your information to as many people as possible, that is going to increase your relevance, and then it helps your business as well. Now, the next thing that we have on Google is going to be what we call the organics. When all of these things come together, you're also going to be able to move up the organic section and have your website here on usually the first page is where people are going to look the most. Now, I was able to pull up one of your competitors' websites, as I said, and as you can tell here, they have quite a bit of content, and that's going to be able to help them implement these keywords much easier. So I put their website into that tool again as well. So I don't know, they don't have the strength and trust built up with Google yet either, but they are going here with the backlinks. They have 138 backlinks from 8 referring domains, and then they have 128 keywords, which is gaining them about 45 organic traffic, so coming through their website. So let's take a look at some of the keywords that they have going on here. Now, you're able to see here what keywords that they have going on, how the rank is for that, like how many people are searching for that, and then what their rank is. So, like doulas in Massachusetts, they are ranking for number 1. Doula Boston, they're ranking for number 4. So the idea is to be able to implement these keywords into your website so that way you're able to start ranking for them. And once you start getting ranked for that keyword, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your site, and a percentage of that is going to give you a call. Then it's also going to be depending on you and your closing rate for you to be able to turn that into business for yourself. So that's what I wanted to go over with you today. I wanted to say thank you again for reaching out to my Facebook post and letting me send you over this quick video. I would love to be able to talk to you more and set up a phone appointment with you, and we can just chat about your business and what is needed. And if you're interested in any of these services, we can look into ways to be able to fill in some of the gaps for you. But again, thank you. I appreciate it, Jessica. I will hopefully talk to you soon. You have a great day. Bye now.